So look at what we have today. Number one, we've got write the contraction that is made from these two words, and we have and not. So you got to form a contraction, and a contraction is when we combine two words and we use an apostrophe. So you're basically just smashing those two words together, get the apostrophe in the right spot, make sure you've spelled it correctly. Okay, now number two, it says, what reference source would you use to find an antonym for the word bizarre? Now, I know we have a computer. We're going to use a computer. There's no more, I'm going to pull out a specific type of reference book from a bookshelf or the library. We don't do that anymore. We open up a computer and we Google whatever. But Google and Safari and all these search engines, they go to a reference source. Even though it's online, it is a reference source book that they're using. So if you wanted to find an antonym for the word bizarre, and by the way, an antonym means opposite, where would you go? And remember, you have a computer, so you can look that up. Number three, correct these sentences. Now, it says, will you help them people paint their fence? Asked his father. Look right here. I'm going to underline it. Asked his father. That is a speech tag. That is telling us we have dialogue. We have dialogue. We have to use quotation marks. So, keep that in mind. There's the speech tag. Make your decision from there about what punctuation and where it goes from here. Okay? All right. Number four, it says, we're tired of doing chores every day, complained Max and Emma. We have another speech tag, which means we've got more dialogue, which means we need more quotation marks. So keep that in mind when you are typing in your sentence. If you don't have quotation marks, it's very wrong. So make sure you get those in there in the right spots. Okay, and then number five is add a prefix to the word. And we have the word agree. Now remember, a prefix, look at the word pre. Prefix has a prefix on it. Pre means before. So I'm going to type that in. Pre means before. Before. I don't know why that B looks like that. Let me retype that in. That looks weird. There it goes. I keep doing that. Before. Okay, so like a pre-game show before you watch the Chiefs game, they usually have a pre-game show. Pre means before the game. Prefix, you need to add something before the word. The word is agree. What prefix could you add to the word agree to make it mean something different? Okay, have at it.